Hi guys, I've created this makeup look for Christmas, so watch this video till the end so that you can see how to create an easy makeup look for your Christmas party. I've already prepped my skin and it's time for applying my eyeshadow. So first I'm going to prime my eyes and I'm using this primer from NYX. And I'm gonna be really quick. I'm just showing here the products that I'm using and how I'm gonna do my makeup. So I've prepped my eyes. Now it's time to apply my eyeshadow. I'll be taking my PAC eyeshadow and it has very pigmented shades. I'll be using this shade for my eyelids and this golden shade to highlight my this and brow bone area. I'll take my flat brush to take the shade and to apply on my eyelid. I'll be going for a darker lip shade on my lips, so that's why I'm keeping my eyeshadow light and easy so that it could be an easy Christmas makeup look. I'm directly going with the pigmented shade all over my eyelid. Not doing very dramatic on my eyelid. It's done. I'll do the same on my second eyes. So I'll be taking this golden eyeshadow for highlighting my eyes. And then I'll apply this golden color on my inner corner of eyes. Everything should look blended. I'm quickly doing my brows with this L'Oreal brow kit. This is my favorite brow kit, and yeah, let's do it, baby. I'm done with my eyebrows. Now it's time for my eyeliner. And I'll be using my eyeliner from Color Bar, and I love this pen shaped eyeliner. I'm gonna just make winged eyeliner like this. I've made my wings. Now it's time to complete my eyeliner. I'll be using this brow powder, the brown color, to apply on my lower lash line, and I've already applied some. And now I'll apply my mascara. This is from Maybelline. It's my favorite one. It got dark, guys, so I have to switch my place. So now I am coming to my face and I'm using Color Bar primer to prime my face. I've already applied moisturizer, so I'm directly moving with primer. Okay, I'm almost done. So I'll be using this foundation. It's L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation. I like its glittery finish and it's Christmas time, so I like little glitters. So I'll be using this foundation brush. It's from PAC to blend my foundation. I'll apply it on my neck as well. Now it's time to apply my lip shade, and I'm going with red because it's Christmas and everybody loves color red or maroon during Christmas time. So yeah, I'm applying this lip pencil in red color from Faces brand. So yeah, my lip lining is done, and now it's time to apply my lip color, and I'll be using this shade Ruby Woo from MAC. So let's quickly do it. I'm done. Ain't this look good? And it's perfect for a Christmas look. Now it's time to apply my blush, and for that I'll be going with this NYX lip shade. It's lip cream from NYX and it is in shade Copenhagen. So I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks. And I'm using this shade because it has wine color, and in winters you love wine dark colors. And I'll be using my fingers to blend it. So whenever you apply a lip cream on your cheeks, take care that you first apply a little product of it so that you don't end up looking like a joker. See, I'm gonna blend it properly so that I won't end up looking like a joker. Okay, so I've blended it quite well. Another side. Okay, now to set my makeup, I'll be using my powder, loose powder. This is from Makeup Revolution and it's a luxury banana powder, and I love this. Okay, I got some of it, and now I'll take my brush. This is just to set my makeup because I've applied all the liquid and cream based product, so I need to set them. And yeah, it's almost done. Now the last part, it's to highlight it. So for highlighting my face, I'll be using this highlighter from MAC. It is soft and gentle shade. Okay. And I'll be using my fingers only. So I'll be using my ring finger. Use your brush, but here I want to be quick, so I'm using my fingers only. So I've applied the highlighter on all those points where the light hits the most on my face. So on the bridge of my nose, higher points of my cheekbones, and my brow bone area. And then I'll blend it with my foundation, so that it shouldn't look like a harsh line. It should look all blended. As I said, makeup is all about blending. And voila! I'm done. And happy Christmas, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love if you'll create this look and let me know if you enjoyed this video. I hope it would have been helpful for you guys for Christmas look. And yeah, I love you so much, guys. Bye bye.